Hi everybody, this is our new high volume production hose crimping machine that we just purchased recently. So there were a couple really nice selling features, and one of the reasons we kind of decided to go with a system like this. So this gives us the ability to produce about 50% higher volume than our previous system. So it's a lot more efficient, allows us to deliver a lot higher volume of products and adapt more quickly to changes in our customer requirements. On the other side, it helps us a lot with quality as well. So that's a really big focus for us here at RG Group. So one of the nice features that we have built into this is a set of calipers. So we actually set the system to say, check the crimp spec on that hose every 20 to 40 crimps, something like that, to make sure that the die is not wearing out, and we're delivering a very high quality crimp that's within spec for our customers. So this system will actually stop you and say, hey, you need to check the crimp spec. It'll give you the spec, and then you just measure with calipers, and then this system will give you like a go, no-go type of signal to say, hey, you're good to move on, this crimp is good, and we continue to check that again every 20 to 40 crimps, something like that, whatever we want to do there. So really nice quality system that we have built in there. Once the unit is crimped, we actually move on to our heat sealing system that we have in the assembly line here. So earlier on in the assembly line, we use air to blow out a hose to make sure there's no particles or anything inside of that hose. Once it's crimped, then we put our caps on. They're all heat shrink. So we put this on here, put it on the end of the hose, heat seal it to make sure that there's no dust or dirt or anything like that in the product that we're delivering to the customer. Obviously, it's going through shipping and that kind of thing. We don't want to make sure there's any dirt that gets inside of that, and that you have a good product to keep your hydraulic system nice and clean. So always focus on making sure we're delivering a superior product to the customer.